And if you know our channel, Lovey's Fat Life, or on Carolina Blue Smoke, we're going for a massive big bite here. Let's do this thing. Oh Lord, honey, you need to come here and try this. Woo! That is all kinds of goodness. Hey everyone, this is Mike with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue. Family's over there laughing at me. This is Mike with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. And today we're sporting the North Carolina Tar Heels because we are Carolina Blue Smoke. And we're going to do something my wife saw on a TikTok or a reel. And it is cream cheese with cinnamon, sugar, and brown sugar on it. Then with apples on top of it on a smoker. So we're going to put this on a smoker for about an hour and a half at 225 to 250. Then come back and add some apples on top of it. But hang out with us and we'll tell you how this turns out. Going to eat this with some cinnamon graham crackers as well. So hang out with us. Tell us what you think. If you tried this before, and we'll tell you if we think it's good or not. So let's go. All right, for this mixture, you can use whatever you like the most. If you want it heavy sugar, heavy cinnamon, but I used a half a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You mix all this together, and then we're ready to add it to the cream cheese. All right, we're going to use an 8-ounce block of Philadelphia cream cheese. We've already got a little bit of that cinnamon mixture with sugar on it. Then we're going to score this thing. You could, you don't have to score this. I kind of do. It just looks good for presentation. But once you put the apples on it, you can't see it. Then we're going to take the cinnamon sugar mixture. We got it good on the bottom, put it good on the top. We're just going to go all sides of this block of cheese. And hey, this doesn't look the prettiest right now, but it still comes out good. We're going to put it in the center of this, put the extra back on top of it, put it on the smoker for 90 minutes, and then we'll add the apples a little bit later on. Here we have our RT 700 recteq 700 the bull. Got her set up for 225, and she's getting up to temperature. We're getting ready to throw this on. All right, we're going to go ahead and put this on. We'll let this run for 90 minutes. 90 minutes at 250. All right, now we got some caramel apple Lucky Leaf pie filling. We're going to pop this open. These are some big apples here, so we're going to kind of reduce these down, chop them up a little bit, and then we'll add them back on after this 90 minutes to heat them up on top of this cream cheese, which after you cook it for this long, it kind of has that cheesecake texture to it. All right, let's do this. See it starting to. This is twice as many apples as needed, so we're going to go ahead and put these apples over to the side as well.
One cup of powdered sugar, a dash of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk. I have half and half. You can use whatever milk you have on hand. That's just what I have here.
All right, after you mix all this up together, it's good to go and ready to put on at the very end. Again, use your own recipe if you want to. This is just what we used, and it turned out really well. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's go see what this thing looks like after 2 hours on the smoker, 90 minutes, you know, smoking just the cream cheese by itself with the cinnamon and brown sugar and regular sugar. But let's flip this around with the apples on here for another 30 minutes and see what this thing looks like. All right, so it looks good. Let's go ahead and get this out and take it inside and try it out on some graham crackers. All right, so we got this in here now, and we're gonna drizzle. Michelle showed you how to make the icing. So this is twice as much apple as you really need, but I love some good cooked apples anyway. So we're gonna go ahead, drizzle some icing on this. Man, that smells good. You can tell, you really smell the apples. All right, and we just got some easy syrup caramel flavor that we're gonna dab that on there as well. How can this go wrong? And we're gonna use some graham crackers for this, cinnamon graham crackers. I mean, how can that be bad, right? Got to get some apple on here, though. Got some apple on there, too. All right, moment of truth. And if you know our channel, Lovey's Fat Life, or on Carolina Blue Smoke, we're going for a massive big bite here. Let's do this thing. Mmm. Oh, Lord, honey, you need to come here and try this. Woo! That is all kinds of goodness. The icing, the apple, the cream cheese tastes like cheesecake now. The cinnamon. That is one of my favorites. Wow. We're going to get my wife's reaction on this next. You got to try this one. This is awesome. All right, my wife is trying this out.
Oh my gosh.
You double dipping. You done been on that. You're double dipping, honey.
Oh, here.
No double dipping. Is that not good?
That is delicious.
That is incredible. So good.
That is good.
I told you guys, you got to try this recipe. That's like cheesecake, isn't it? It's like apple, cinnamon apple cheesecake is what it tastes like.
That is so delicious.
Damn, that's good. So I don't normally get that excited over something, but I'm telling you, that is really good. Try this out right away. Thank you guys for checking out this recipe. This apple caramel smoked cream cheese. Awesome. Please like, comment, subscribe, and join us on Carolina Blue Smoke and Outdoor Cooking. You guys have a great one.